What up, friends? How we doing? It's good to see you today. I've been in crypto for a month. Can you believe it? I've been doing this for a whole month already. It's awesome. I love it. It's really fun. I'm still dumb, but you know what? That's okay because y'all are here to help me, right? Please don't leave me. Please help me figure this stuff out. I don't know what I'm doing. So since I've been in crypto for a month, I thought something that could be really fun is if we looked at my bag. Yes, this is how much I've actually genuinely invested in cryptocurrency over 1 month. I'd really love it if y'all could tell me if I did the right thing investing into these projects, or if you think that there are other ones that I should be involved in. Please comment below and let me know, because I'm still super new at this and I need help. All right, that being said, let's check out my bag. All right, so as y'all can see, I have around 6 grand in the market. Believe it or not, this is the same account where I put that $1,000 of Bitcoin so I could just get scammed out of it, which I talked about in that video. This is just the general graph of how my investments have performed over time. This gigantic dip is the big dip that happened in the crypto markets. This is something everybody experienced, not because I did anything wrong. But let's look at my actual portfolio. Oh my God. So this moving number that you see over here is because I staked some Ethereum. So this is the 6% APY that I'm earning for staking like 7.75 Ethereum. This is going to be staked until Ethereum 2.0 comes out, which they're moving over from proof of work to proof of stake. So that's where this huge change is coming from. And it's going to take a little bit of time, but I'm really excited to just continue to grow my money while this investment is just kind of stocked away. I don't have to do anything. All right, now let's look at my actual portfolio. So you can see I'm pretty heavily invested in Ethereum. This is my Ethereum that is staking for the Ethereum 2 transfer. So I've got 0.71 of that. I have 637 Matic. I really like Polygon. I think it's a really good project. I've heard from a lot of y'all that you really love it too. So let me know if you think this is a pretty good one to be so heavily invested in. Then third is Cardano. So I have about 580 ADA. And this is another one that I'm heavily invested in as well. So Ethereum, Matic, and ADA are basically my babies, my children, my friends, my loves. I do have some Bitcoin. So this was the $1,000 of Bitcoin I originally purchased whenever I almost got scammed. And it's now worth like 700 bucks because I bought this at Bitcoin's all-time high, which is a super cool decision. Next one I've got is sushi. So I've got about 30 sushi. This one is a little bit expensive to buy into, but it's cheaper than Polkadot right now, which is why I decided to go with sushi versus getting into Polkadot. I don't know how I feel about this one. Do y'all think that I made the right decision whenever it comes to choosing sushi over DOT, or should I switch? I'm not entirely sure. Then of course I've got a little bit of Ethereum left over that I'm not staking. And I've also invested into Engine because I am taking a lot of like consulting calls and working with a lot of companies in this NFT gaming space. I'm also developing a community. This is a totally free community for any of y'all who are content creators, or if you just want to learn more about cryptocurrency and investing and everything. I'll leave a link for it down below if y'all would like to join. Engine is a huge project. It's really cool. They're doing a lot of stuff with it. I love the team over there, and I'm excited to continue supporting them as much as I can. Everything else that you see from XLM down is actually crypto that I got just for watching videos on Coinbase. So if you go to home on Coinbase and you scroll down, there's usually some offers here for you to watch videos and learn more about the projects. And then after you complete like a little quiz, you'll actually earn some of the currency. This is actually a really good place to start if you're just getting involved in crypto, because you get to participate and trade a bunch of currency, a bunch of tokens if you would like to, because of watching these videos, which I think is pretty freaking cool. What do y'all think? Did I make the right choices? Please tell me I'm okay here. Also, don't forget to go and check out this video because it talks about 4 investing mistakes of new crypto investors. Make sure you don't mess up in those ways like I did. I'll see y'all over in that one. Bye!